Listen and read. Were you right? River Rescue by Jake.
I visit my big brother Luke. He lives in Arizona in the USA. We go canoeing together in the most exciting place in Arizona, the Grand Canyon. There is lots of white water in the river today, and we go very quickly down the river. This is more difficult than canoeing in a lake. Suddenly, I see a big tree across the river. The canoe turns over. I swim to the side, but Luke is on an island in the middle of the river. His arm is hurt. He's cold and tired. What can I do? Luke can't swim because of his arm. I can't swim to him because it's dangerous. Then I remember my whistle. We always carry whistles when we go canoeing. I find the whistle and I make the loudest sound I can. I blow 6 times. That's the emergency signal. Then I hear another whistle. Soon the helicopter is here. It takes Luke to hospital. He's safe.
Arizona Fact File. Country, USA. Capital City, Phoenix. Landscape, hills, mountains, rivers. Most interesting place, Grand Canyon. Most important river, Colorado River.